can you tell me what this bush is?
Yes, I can.
I bet you Mr. Jim knows what that is.
That's quince.
It's quince.
Yep.
That's right.
Got little thorns all over it. Beautiful plant. Early spring, flowers before the leaves come out usually. One of the prettiest ones is there's a variety called Toyo Nishiki that blooms white, pink, and red on the same plant. I have one in my yard, and people stop to ask me what it is because it's really stunning. But there are some new doubles that are dwarfs that have no thorns. In oranges and reds and whites. They're just spectacular plants. Some of them produce the apple for the quince jelly. Okay. There are most of the newer varieties are not fruit producing. But there's still some out there. So it's a great plant, particularly it's got so many thorns on it. I say this is one of the plants. I have a list of plants you plant under your daughter's window. This is one of them.
And this is one with the thorns.
Surrounded by barberries.
How about that? But the plant produces a lot of stems as well.
It does. Right. And it needs selective pruning.
So I was going to ask you about pruning.
Right. Each year, go in, take out 3 to 5 of the oldest canes in there. They're going to pop and go straight up through it and refill it, and then you'll have more flowers next year. Start setting its flowers in late July and August, so do not prune it after the 1st of July. Got to be done right after it blooms.
Okay? But if you plant it under your daughter's window, don't prune.
Don't prune it at all.
Don't prune it out. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.